The Instant Pot Duo Mini is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines 7 cooking functions, allowing users to pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, yogurt, and keep meals warm with ease. Despite its compact size, the 3-quart capacity of the Instant Pot Duo Mini makes it an ideal choice for small households or for preparing side dishes. One of its standout features is the ability to cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods, which is perfect for those with a busy lifestyle. The construction quality is commendable, with a pro-grade stainless steel cooking pot that includes a tri-ply bottom, ensuring excellent heat distribution for professional-level searing and sautéing. Cleaning up after cooking is hassle-free, as both the lid and inner pot are dishwasher-safe, making the post-cooking process quick and easy. With over 10 safety mechanisms, including an easy seal safety lid lock and overheat protection, the Instant Pot Duo Mini offers peace of mind during use.